Hey, what's up guys? So the watch face that I'm reviewing today is called MD254 from Matteo Dini. Another really cool watch face, and it's a digital watch face actually with a separate window for the digital time. And then on the other half we get a lot of other information. So we've got battery percentage here, which shows up with these bars as well, which is a very nice touch. Then we've got heart rate here, we've got sunset time, we've got steps data here. Down below we get day and date, and then we've got moon phase on the top right here, and here I think we've got the distance covered in a day. And then we have these 3 dot options for adding complications to this watch face. So we have one phone complication here as well. So a lot of information in one place, and this is the always on display version of this watch face, which is also very information rich. I really quite like this one as well. And then now let's take a look at some of the customization options. We'll go in customize. So here we have LCD, where you can change the color of this panel here. We've got brightness options, background options, color options, and finally the last one will be complications. So let's go through them one by one. So you can change the color of this LCD. So there are quite a few options here actually. So you can choose whatever you want. I'll go with this one. This is the one that I have always liked. So next one is brightness. So here you can change the brightness of the entire watch face. Then we have background, and with background the color of these rings change. And then we have color, and that will change the color of this text here. And finally we have complications. So let's check out the options for the complications now. So you can add app shortcuts, add Bixby, recent apps, blood oxygen, and a lot of fitness options. Almost all of them are here. So I will add the one that I always add, recent apps, and press OK, and there you go. That's the edited version of the watch face. So that's about it from this video guys. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I will put the link of this watch face in the description below for you to check it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.